I don't know why we keep finding these fused glass bowls. That definitely looks like... Hi guys, welcome back to the Thrifting Twins. Today we are at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. We haven't been here in a while, so they should have some new stuff. So I say we get in there and see what we can find for resale. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is highly appreciated. All right. Well, Michael pretty much ran up to the door. I think today is 25% off, right? It's always on a Wednesday. 25? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think so. Ooh, I like this. It's just one chair. I like the velvet. This one's antique. Oh, it is?
I don't know.
Alright, so we're gonna start in the clear section, because I have found some good stuff here before. What is that? That's interesting. Ooh, there's a mark. Hold on, I can't read it. Made in France. That's $1.50. I'm gonna get it. This kind of looks like... Oh, it's Waterford. Marquise by Waterford. That's only $2, and there's 2 of them. So I'm gonna get those. Let me go show Michael. Michael, found some Marquise Waterford. Ooh. 2 of them. And then the one, if you want to grab the one under my arm.
Oh.
It's crystal and it says made in France, but I can't read the maker. Oh wait, is that a boo-boo right there?
Yep.
Okay, never mind. I'm still gonna research that though.
And from that.
Ooh, that's a Dorothy Thorpe. It has a thick silver band.
Be 75 cents.
Yeah, that's good. Alright, I had to get a cart. 'Cause these are kind of heavy actually, even though for their size. I'm wondering if this sits in something. I don't know. I spotted an owl. Or owls. They're ceramic. I don't want to break them. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm surprised they're not all chipped up. Oh, that one is. Well, if I keep hitting them, I'm going to end up having to pay for them. That's a cute little bear. Made in Japan. I like that. I don't know if that's crazy or not. I like that. The mama bear and papa bear. It's $4. Looky what I found. It's a Oven X bunk cake. Hoo-hoo. You can always spot this because you can see the, I don't know what you would call that, starburst. That type of design. So when you bake it, that's on the bottom. So I'm definitely getting that for $2. They usually sell pretty fast. Oven X.
Ooh. I've never seen that one.
Oh yeah.
Out and about.
Let's see if there's any more. Man. What about this copper? That's not real copper. Alright, I guess that's it. My grandma used to have a set. She had the wooden nut bowl. This with the picks. I don't know if you guys remember that. I think I still have it. Oh, there's another one. Okay, let's move on. Alright, let's see what else we have. Some olive oil bottles. I'm not sure if we looked at this before, yeah. I don't know, the shelves are kind of bare today. Some Corningware, cornflower blue. Fortunately, these do not sell well. I think when I first started reselling, I had these listed and they never sold. I eventually took them off. Any Bakelite? No. Let's go look at the linen. Let's take a look at these doilies. Not your grandma's doily. Try framing or crafting. It's kind of neat. Oh, look, she has all these individual ones. I mean, the doilies aren't really worth too much. Kind of like these. I'm trying to find any type of antique ones. Oh, wow. This probably took weeks to make. See, I'm not sure how much these really sell for. Nah. Pottery Barn. Headboard cover. I don't know. That's very specific. What do we have over here? This kind of looks like it'd be Polish. GKA. No. It's pretty though. Ooh, I see iridescent. Oh, it's plastic. That always tricks me. Alright, out of all of these bed frames, which one do you think I'm interested in? Not that one. This one. It's antique. I love it. Oh, it's too heavy. But I love that kind of swirl design. And there's some damage. How much do they want for it? $150 each. Holy moly. Maybe I could talk them down. I always check out the lamp section just to see if we missed anything. These were made in the, I want to say 1940s, the 60s. It's made to look like it's antique.
I was looking at these too. These are hand painted.
Yeah, I think I showed those last time.
Huh.
Looks like a Golden Girls lamp. It's just a ceramic. Take a look at these lampshades. When you hold it at the light, it has that iridescent to it. And it's a satin glass. I like that. And they're only $2 each. I wonder if these scratches would come out. If they even are scratches. But we got a pair of them. So I think I'm gonna do that. Carefully put it in the cart. And then this little guy is under a spotlight. He's kind of cute. Little flamingo with a drink.
Souvenir.
Yeah, made in Philippines. I thought that was kind of cool. Then we have some finials. That's a resin. If those were glass, I would definitely get them. Alright, well, I was trying to find Michael, and he's trying out this bar. Waiting for a drink. Oh, yeah. I found these. Has that iridescent to it. I like them. Alright, so I think we're gonna head out and go over to the Goodwill. But we got the oven necks, the 2 Waterford crystal, and the 2 beautiful iridescent shades. Alright, so let's check out and we'll see you at Goodwill. Alright, we're here at the Goodwill. Color of the day is red. Oh, they have a whole collection of funky high heels. I wonder if there's any good brands here. I'm not sure. David's Bridal. Well, those are $30. I keep looking at this heart and keep hoping that it's on sale. Oh, it's not. I think that's a pen holder. But once that's 40% off, I'm gonna get it. Alright, let's skim the shelves a little bit. I can't remember if we looked at these last time. I believe that mark is Arnart, if I'm saying that right. It's a nice little green vase. FTD. I thought maybe it would glow. Is that Boyd's Bear? No. Flute player. SH1A. Like, what about that?
Oh, it's cute.
It kind of looks like it'd be made in Japan. I'm gonna put it in here, then research it. I don't know why we keep finding these fused glass bowls. That definitely looks like Sit and Stricker. Yeah, there's a signature. On the bottom it has a nice floral design. It's not bad for
spring.
Not bad for $5.99. That goes in the cart. So Michael picked this up thinking it was Holt Howard, which it does kind of have that style. I still want to find the Holt Howard Pixie honey jar. Those are worth a lot of money. So I thought this teapot was kind of neat. It has the blue on the top. It's called Easy Exotic, but it's $8.99. I did look this up. It only sells for about $15, but I thought it was kind of cool. It looks like a pumpkin. Spotted these candlestick holders. Notice the iridescence on them. Oh, it's party light. That looks kind of good for a party light, though. Michael. Let me see what these are. Threshold large teal tree. That's kind of neat. See if there's anything else. Wow, that's heavy. Let's check out this Farina canister. Ceramic says GMT Germany. It's $4.99, but has some chipping. That's something we would have to look up. And then should we just get the 6th one?
Yep.
We bought 5, $2.99. So we're gonna get that. Now we gotta retake all the pictures. What is that used for?
Handmade pine items, Latham.
Huh.
I have no idea.
Obviously, hold something down. I'll look at the Pyrex. Bake around. I never saw that before.
No, right.
If you wanna take it out. Bake around by Corning.
Back up.
So I was looking through the art and I noticed these. I thought they were kind of neat. It looks like someone photographed themselves and printed it on some wood. I think that's kind of cool. How much do they want for them? $4.99 each. Do you see these? Looks like someone photographed it and put it on here. On the wood.
It's different.
But it's different.
5 each.
Colwell, 1986. $15.99.
I'm not sure for $5 each.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. They are different though. So we spotted this Japanese lamp. It has the moriage. You can tell by the raised areas. Moriage doesn't just have to be gold, it could be any color. But it's very heavy. The only thing is the person, it looks sloppy.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
It's very heavy, but it's $39.99. I don't know. But I thought it was neat to show you guys. Found a George Briard. Usually he makes the glass with the silver on there. But this looks like a appetizer tray, or cheese tray.
Server.
Oh, it's $9.99. And we got some cracks. So I don't think that would be a good buy. Oh well. Alright, I'm gonna put this figurine back. This is a Hummel imitation. The real Hummel sells for about 90 bucks, but that is not. So, instead of wasting $5. Alright, I think we're gonna have to check out, but we got the sit-in stricker, and then the other Bon Chef. And then this is for me. Alright, well that was a fun shopping trip. Our total spend at the Goodwill was...
15.
Yep, and then we spent $6 at the Restore, which I think that was awesome. It seemed like less than what we actually got.
I know, right?
But we should definitely make profit off of all of this. I think my best find was the sit-in stricker, fused glass bowl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.